Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am going to be doing the second weekly challenge for this November, that word being fantasy. I got some fantastically fun fantasy ideas for this piece, so let's hop down below and get started. So when I was thinking about something to do for fantasy, my brain automatically went to things like dragons, elves, monsters, and all that jazz. But I slowly decided I wanted to do something a little bit different for the idea of fantasy. So I decided to go with this idea that this bear is looking into the water and seeing his own inner fantasy character in the reflection of the water. I thought this would be a really cute idea with how sometimes we see ourselves and wish to be like characters from TV shows and video games and movies, and that our own minds can actually be our own escape into fantasy. And that's something to keep in mind when you're trying to do something artistic. Use that part of your brain that you use to escape from your daily pains and headaches. That is where some of the best art is really made from. I'm probably getting a lot deeper than you expected on this video for something that had to do with me painting fantasy, huh? So since I'm making this piece on the small canvas that came in the box, I thought it would make sense to almost make it very simplistic for the painting, using really simple shapes like circles to create the bear. And you may recognize this small brush that I'm using if you got the September Smart Art box. This is such a nice multi-purpose brush, and I have been using it for pretty much everything painting related since I got it. But this piece is starting to near its end, so stick around to the very end to see the final results. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word fantasy. I think this turned out pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you guys think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure, that is where you're gonna find them. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!